each one in a team of 16 work on at least one of the two projects A and B. So there are 16 people in a team which are working on at least one of the two projects A or B. The number of people working on one project only is 12 people who are working on only one project, that is only project A or only project B are 12, and number of people working on project A is 10. So there are two projects. This is project A. Number of people working on this project are 10, and there is other project, that is B. I do not know the number of people working in this project, but there are total 16 people are there in this team, and each one of them works on at least one of the two projects. At least one means either he is working on project A, either or he or she will be working on project B, or he or she can work on both the projects. So I need to find the number of people working in project B. We need to find number of people working in project B. Listen carefully. First thing, total are 16 people, and each of them work on at least one. So each of them will be in this region only. Outside this region, that is number of people that are not working on any of the project would be 0. Why? Because each one of them, each one in a team are working on at least one of the two projects. So all these 16 people will either be working on A or B or both of the projects. So let's just see. One information is given. The number of people working on one project only is 12. So people working on only one project. Only one project is 2. And the reason where only one people, what are the reasons where only people, where are the people where only one project, or the people who are working on only one project? This is the reason. These are the people who are working on only project A, and this is the reason. These are the people who are working on only project B, because this is the reason. This is the people who are working on both. So sum of this reason and this reason is giving me as 12, because number of people working on one project only is 12. So let's just assume that people working on only project A is X. Let's assume people working on only project A is X. I am assuming there are X people who work only on A, and there are total 12 people who are working on only one project. So these people who are working only on the project B would be 12 total minus X, because these 12 are people working on only one project. So this is X, this is 12 minus X, and total people working on project A is 10. So this reason would be total minus this reason, that is 10 minus X. And I know, because outside of these two reasons people are 0, because each one of them is working on either of the project. So the total of these three numbers, or the total of these three regions, or the union of these two sets would be equal to total number of observations. So X plus 10 minus X plus 12 minus X must be equal to total number of people in the group. Why? Because this is people working on only project A, this is people working on both the projects, and this is people working on only project B. and this must be equal to 16 because there are 16 members. So here x get cancelled. I get from here x as 10 plus 12 is 22. 22 minus 6 is 6. So number of people working only on project A is 6. Number of people working on both the projects is 10 minus 6, that is 4. And number of people working on only project B is 12 minus 6 is 6. So what is asked? Find the number of people working on project B. So people working on project B would be 6 plus these 4 people who are working on both these projects. So 6.4 would be 10 people. So correct answer to this question is option C.